Yeah, so when we started off, when you approached us and the Ethos brand actually approached us so as a brand, we are right now at a juncture where we want to meet more corporates. We are like trying to build awareness of the brand, and we thought this is a perfect forum for us to take it forward. And pretty much to a large extent, whatever we were wanting from this particular conference, we have got it. So in a way, it's a win-win situation for us, as well as I'm sure a lot of corporates, other corporates that we've interacted with, they've also felt the same thing. And yeah, it's well organized and there's a good symmetry in everything. So it's nice. I mean, it's a win situation. I mean, I'm settled. I'm as in I in Avon brand is very satisfied with this particular conference. Yeah. Uh, I mean, as you move forward, cost does become an issue, and in a partnership, it's a synergy where basically, if you look at it from a cost perspective, the cost sharing becomes a very big issue, and that's the benefit that both brands take into consideration. And I, as an individual brand, have a particular TG to cater to. There will be another brand which is also looking at another TG. When there's a synergy between two brands, the TGs mix. So you're looking at a wider audience, the reach increases, and there are a lot of things that my brand would be complementing another brand as such. We don't know it, but as a consumer, they would be pairing brands all together. So if at a corporate level or a brand level we are understanding or aware of this particular synergy and we take that call initially, it's a win situation for the consumer. So ultimately, you're doing it for the consumer. Yeah. Uh, I think the way it is organized, where you have the brands given an opportunity to speak to everyone and what they are looking at, I think that's a very big plus point, because usually what happens is you have to talk to individually, but here I, as an individual or as a brand, can speak to an entire set of audience as to what my outlook is, which kind of sets the tone for my brand. The other one would be, yeah, it's a very well organized event, yeah. So I think it's a win-win situation for everyone. I I believe it would be bigger, and I hope it's bigger. And I think there should be more of breakout sessions. I think the biggest thing that was, I think you would have already realized, was networking became the biggest interaction between individual brands became. So if in case you would ask people who are the brands that they are wanting to, and probably open the house initially itself, and then once everybody is done with the curiosity of engaging everyone, and then they will settle down, and then probably the presentations can happen. That would probably work. You basically, you just turn the tide around. You network first, and then you let people would be more calmer and sit and hear to the presentation. Otherwise, other than the first 4 or 5 presentations, people were moving in and out throughout the process. So that's unfair to the other brands, which is fair.